Rhaglen yw Teuluoedd yn Gyntaf wedi ei ariannu gan y Cynulliad Cenedlaethol, sy'n gofyn i bob awdurdod lleol i ddarperir gwasanaethau i gefnogi teuluoedd a phobl ifanc. Pwrpas y rhaglen yn benodol yw i gefnogi rieni, phlant a phobl ifanc a rieni sydd â phlant ag anableddau. Rydyn ni am sicrhau bod bob teulu sy'n byw yn Sir Gar yn cael y gefnogaeth sy'n angen arnyn nhw i fod yn rieni effeithiol sy'n gallu creu perthnasau teuluol positif a chrif i fyw bywydau iach ac hapus. Un o elfennau allweddol Teuluoedd yn Gyntaf yw TAF, Tîm o Amgylch y Teulu. Mae'r broses o TAF yn rhoi'r gefnogaeth i deuluoedd sydd ei angen i gyflawni'r hyn y mae'n hwy yn penderfynu arno mwyn gwella lles ac hapusrwydd yr holl deulu.
I brought my children into the Vulnerable Family Centre for after school activities. My children have learning difficulties, so my middle boy has anxiety and emotional problems, and he acted out, massive blowout and everything. It was the managers who came up to me and asked if everything was okay, and that's how I got their help. And it's always handy to have people like the team TAF and Snap Cymru and everybody, family support workers, backing you, because they'll help more with the school and everything. He gets his one-to-one in school, he gets all the help he needs. I found out that he could be visual dyspraxia, so that's why he was having problems with everything else. So if it wasn't for the organisations involved, I think I would still be struggling now.
Team Cymru Bach provides home-based support, and we provide support in preschool settings, and we run various groups, events and training.
If it wasn't for these guys, I think every one of us here would struggle, because it's the ability to be able to go to somebody and know that they're in the same position and know that you're not alone.
So the idea of a parenting group is so that parents can get together, share experiences and bounce off each other really, so they can share tips, ideas, strategies and also the challenges that they face. So it's nice for them not to feel that they're alone. Okay, so parenting's a tough job, and a lot of parents just need that little bit of extra support. So as a parent, we all find challenges along the way. So we're just a service that's able to offer a little bit extra. Some parents experience a bit more difficulties than others, and we're there to support them either on a one-to-one basis or in a group setting.
It's given me the confidence to believe in myself that I can parent Evan in a more positive way than negative. And it gives me the confidence that I can do it. We're all good fun, we all get on really well, they're all friendly, and they seem to have a positive outcome as well.
Gyda ni'n yr ysgol, mae TAF wedi helpu trwy, os oes achos yn codi o ran teulu angen cymorth, ni'n gwybod bod ni'n gallu troi at TAF i ofyn beth yn union yw'r cymorth gallen ni fel ysgol i gefnogi gyda nhw. Maen nhw wedi bod yn hanfodol gyda nifer y deuluoedd gyda ni'n cynnig nifer o bethau o Action for Children gyda play therapy i ystod mewn cyfrifodydd yn cefnogi ni fel ysgol hefyd. Yn bennaf, gwybod bod TAF na i gefnogi ni fel ysgol ac yn sicrhau bod y cefnogaeth na i teuluoedd fel bod yn teuluoedd ni yn cael y gefnogaeth orau sydd eisiau arnyn nhw hefyd.
As post-16 youth workers, we offer so many activities and experiences that they really do build on confidence and self-esteem and develop themselves as independent members of society, often feeling quite excluded. Post-16 youth workers are good role models and can often support young people to feel included in a very difficult society.
Going through a bit of a difficult time with her dad. I met Katie then through, my friend was under youth support and took me to one of their bowling events, and then I self-referred under Katie then. Basically told her what was going on, what had happened, and it changed quite drastically really. I ended up homeless. When I have got problems, I can literally just text Katie or phone her in the week, and then she'll meet me, like just go for coffee or meet here, and I come here every Tuesday for drop-in, and I feel safe, and then I leave feeling like 10 times happier.